Mastercard just went all in on the crypto space as they announced brand new features for crypto fraud prevention, NFT sales, and crypto payment adoption. Not only this, we've seen a number of other big tech companies come out with major announcements in the last 2 weeks alone for crypto and crypto investments. And we've seen restaurants like McDonald's and Starbucks roll out some major crypto and NFT features as well, which could be a major turning point for crypto and the crypto market. So right now we've seen that Mastercard just announced that they're pushing deeper into the crypto space with a new tool for combating fraud. And over the last 12 months, we've seen major announcements for fraud in the crypto space. There's been a huge problem with people getting hacked, with bankruptcies, just fraud in general, where people have lost so much money on top of bankruptcies. So we don't need that in the crypto space. And with Mastercard, they just rolled out a brand new feature that is going to be a piece of software that helps banks identify and cut off transactions from fraud-prone crypto exchanges. This is in their partnership with one of the companies they recently acquired called CipherTree. It's a blockchain security startup that they acquired last year. But the important thing here is that Mastercard has over 2,400 crypto exchanges within its network. So with this new security tool, they're going to be able to help identify fraudulent transactions on people's cards for crypto. This is going to help protect people, prevent them from losing money from potentially fraudulent exchanges. And I'll link these down below so you can look a little bit more into how the software actually works if you want to see that. But the important thing is it's going to help prevent fraud in the crypto space, help save people money. Next thing that we've seen is that investing company called Stash. It's one where it puts spare change away every single day, like Acorns Investing. They just announced that they are going to be adding crypto to their suite of offerings. And this is a big deal because they have over 2 million customers and they just surpassed $125 million in revenue. So with this, they said they're going to be adding Bitcoin. They're going to be adding Bitcoin Cash, Chainlink, Ethereum, Avalanche, Ethereum Classic, Solana, and Uniswap to their investments on their app. While this isn't that many users, it's only 2 million users, it's still a big deal because most people who use Stash or Acorn Investing, once they purchase crypto, they don't have any plans of selling it. Stash and Acorns Investing, the sole purpose of using these apps is to buy and hold long term, not encourage trading. So whenever people buy, let's say Bitcoin or Bitcoin Cash or any crypto on Stash's platform, they're probably going to hold it for a long time because that is exactly what these platforms are meant for. So that is going to help increase the value of many of these projects long term. And next thing we've seen is that with Shopify. Shopify just announced their CEO has spent $3 million over the last 2 months on Coinbase stock. Every single week, he's purchased around $369,000 of Coinbase stock since August. This is a big deal because while they don't have a direct partnership with Coinbase, we've seen that the CEO of Shopify has become a board member in February of Shopify. He has been Coinbase. He has been continuing to buy Coinbase stock. And when you're seeing big names in the tech space join the boards of crypto companies, start investing in them with their personal money, this is a pretty exciting thing because it shows us how much confidence they have in crypto and its technology moving forward. And I would expect some potential partnerships with Shopify and Coinbase in the future, as we have seen Shopify CEO take a pretty significant role and positions in Coinbase's stock. Next thing I want to go over is what's been going on with Over. It's a AR-based reality, augmented reality-based metaverse platform that we talked about quite a few months ago, but they've had a number of big announcements come out that we need to go over. And this is another tech play because they are trying to create a metaverse that is based on augmented reality. And most of them right now don't do this. The important thing right here is that they have a big competition going on right now. So one of the competitions is that they have where they're giving away over 30,000 OVR tokens in a design competition. You can see venue design contest. This is over $30,000 in OVR tokens are giving out over the top 10 participants and finishers. And the way it works is that you can create some iconic environments for the Over metaverse if you are a 3D creator. And this is a chance to really get involved, earn money, and help build an augmented reality metaverse without any risk. It doesn't cost anything to enter this. It's completely free. They're just trying to help the community build their augmented reality metaverse and help get the community more involved. And this is something that is very important in my opinion, because when you're looking at metaverses right now, a lot of them are still run like Web 2.0 companies. They have management that makes all the major decisions, but they are making slightly different decisions because they want to get the community involved as much as possible. So if you want to submit a project and potentially win thousands of dollars, so they have this competition going on from October 4th to December 15th. That is when you could submit your projects. Then they're going to have a jury of people who are going to vote and decide which ones win. And then you can see right here all the different prize pools: $9,000 for first place, $7,500 for second place, $4,500 for third, all the way down to 10th, which is $750. So you can easily sign up and enter if you want to submit one of your projects. But this is a project that we've talked about multiple times on the channel, and while it isn't a big tech company, they are involved in the technology space and crypto because they're trying to integrate augmented reality with the metaverse, which is where I see the future of the metaverse going. I think it's going to be much more interactive than it currently is. Right now, most metaverse projects are just like games. This one is trying to use all aspects of augmented reality and just the future of human interaction. Next thing I want to go over is what's been going on with McDonald's. McDonald's just announced that they are going to start accepting Bitcoin and Tether in a Swiss town that has been pretty influential in crypto adoption, called Lugano. So Lugano in Switzerland is a city that has had a lot of big announcements with Tether and Bitcoin over the last year. And now all the McDonald's in this city in Switzerland are accepting Bitcoin and crypto as a form of payment. There's a video that was posted on Bitcoin Magazine where it shows someone walking into a McDonald's where it says Bitcoin and Tether are accepted here. You walk into the McDonald's, you place your order on the kiosk, and then when you go to check out, you can easily just scan a QR code and put in and send crypto as a form of payment. This is something that's pretty exciting because even though this is only in Lugano, Switzerland, it's a big deal for McDonald's to allow for crypto payments in general. Seeing that is a sign of things to come. Potentially, they're going to be integrating this in the years to come in other locations, but this would be huge for crypto if eventually they roll this out into thousands of locations across the world. Last thing I want to go over is with Starbucks. Starbucks has recently announced that they are offering a NFT-based loyalty program, and they specifically chose the Polygon blockchain. This is something, in my opinion, that we've seen a lot of. We've seen a lot of companies choose Polygon over Ethereum when integrating NFTs and choosing to integrate crypto into their business. So we've seen Starbucks do this. We've seen other companies do this. And while this is still in its early stages, they said that ultimately customers are going to be able to purchase and earn digital collectible stamps in the form of an NFT that'll offer benefits and immersive experiences. So moving forward, I think as we see companies integrate NFTs into their business, but refer to them, let's say, as stamps, I think that's going to help contribute to long-term adoption of NFTs and crypto for general public. Because when you make it so simple that people don't have to think about it, like most people don't know what NFTs are. Okay, get rid of the term, just call it a stamp. It's the same thing, but stamps are much easier for people to understand. When you start saying that they are a loyalty program rather than like a community-based project, it makes it easier for people to understand. So when you start seeing all these traditional retailers and restaurants integrate crypto and NFTs into their company in a very simple way, that's when we're going to see adoption really take off, and that's going to help contribute to long-term value in the space. But that's going on in the overall market. I hope you enjoyed today's video. Don't forget, if you want, make sure to check out what's been going on with Mastercard, a little bit of a deep dive into that program, as well as what's going on with the Over Reality Metaverse project, what's going on with them and their competition. I'll link everything down below, but I hope you enjoyed, and I'll see you guys in the next episode. See ya.